Green your bedroom. How plants can help you sleep better. Dear friends, it's time to say goodbye to the old wives' tale that says houseplants and bedrooms don't mix. It was once common folklore that houseplants shouldn't be kept in the bedroom for fear that they will use up all the oxygen in the room as you sleep. The good news though, studies have shown that while some houseplants do use oxygen at night, it is in such minute volumes that there is definitely no cause for concern. In fact, there are actually many benefits to keeping houseplants in the bedroom. Scientists discovered that interacting with plants can do wonders for your slumber. They'll chill out those stress hormones, send you snoozing faster, and keep you sleeping soundly with fewer micro-awakenings. Result: a blissful slumber that'll have you waking up feeling like a brand new person. How? Plants can help you sleep more soundly by changing the environment of the bedroom so it's more conducive to sleep. Increased humidity. Houseplants naturally release moisture into the atmosphere as they perspire, helping to raise humidity levels. Higher humidity is great for preventing congestion and stopping the drying of the throat and skin. Cleaning the air. NASA performed a study on houseplants and their air purifying qualities and found that some houseplants actually remove harmful toxins, such as formaldehyde, benzene, trichloroethylene, xylene, and ammonia out of the air, making it cleaner and greener for us to breathe. No more excuses for snoring. It's time to breathe and snooze peacefully. Healthier state of mind. Some studies have found that houseplants release negative ions that trigger the release of serotonin, which is known to relieve stress and anxiety. So, not only will you sleep better, but you'll wake up happier too. Setting the mood. The addition of houseplants to your bedroom can help create a calming and relaxing atmosphere, making it easier to drift off into slumberland. This promotes a deeper sleep, increasing productivity and general well-being. Sound sleep. Some studies have found that plants can also improve acoustics in a room, reducing noise pollution and promoting better sleep. So, say goodbye to noisy neighbors and hello to peaceful plant whispers. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.